Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jam. So for today's video, I'll be doing a Cheshire Cat inspired makeup look. So if you want to know how I recreate this look, just keep on watching. First, I'll be just popping on some contact lenses. So next, I'll be flattening my brows or removing my brows using a glue stick. So I'll just apply glue stick all over my brows and flattening it to my skin para hindi siya masyadong bumpy. After that, I'll be applying some powder to lighten up the brows para hindi siya masyadong kita once na naglagay tayo ng pintura. Third step, I'll be outlining the features. This would be the mouth, the smile, yung iconic or yung, hindi yung siya iconic, yung kilalang ngiti ni Cheshire Cat sa Alice in Wonderland. And i-outline ko na rin dito yung ilong niya and kilay. Hindi na siya kilay, I guess. Kung saan yung hollows ng eye or contour ng nose. Fourth step, I'll be doing applying white paint on the center of my face, the cheeks, forehead, and the chin. And then, after applying the paint, I'll be setting it with baby powder. Baby powder ginamit ko kasi white naman siya, so why not? Fifth step. So, for the fifth step, kuha ko ng pink eyeshadow and lightly shadow yung hollow areas ng face and also around the face kung saan yung parang checkered style. Sixth is I'll take a violet eyeshadow and do the same kung paano ko ginawa yung pink. Ganun ko din gagawin yung violet. Pero hindi mag-mix. Hindi ko din-mix yung colors around the face. So next step, I would be taking a darker pink eyeshadow and i-darken up yung areas kung saan ko nilagay yung violet and yung light pink natin. Also, i-apply ko na rin siya sa mata to create dramatic look. And a cat eye shadow effect. Next, I'll be taking a darker red para darken up yung area sa ilong, sa mata, and also dun sa my upper lip. So with that, mag-create ako ng hair texture din around the face and dun sa may dati nating kilay. Lalagyan ko rin pala yung sa may labi, gilid ng labi, parang mukhang nakasmile. So next, I'll take a white and create a hair texture sa gilid and also some highlights. So now, picking up a black paint, ipinturahan ko na yung yung nose, tsaka yung mouth ko, or yung mouth ni Cheshire Cat. So, after ko ma-highlight, ma-outline yung black part, kukuha ko ng white paint para mapinturahan muna yung ngipin part ni Cheshire Cat and setting that with powder para hindi mag-smudge or mag-mix yung pintura. So now, with eyeliner, mag-create ako ng cat eye wing. So last but not the least, kukuha ko ng black paint and pipinturahan ko yung around ng mukha ko, pati tenga and konti sa leeg para magmukhang lumulutang yung ating Cheshire Cat face. So guys, this is the finished look. This is a Cheshire Cat inspired makeup look. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at jaminsane.t and jaminsane.t for Twitter. And hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!